Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today we're heading to a country known for its romance, history, and exquisite cuisine. That's right, we're talking about France. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the stunning French Riviera, France offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in France. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Let's get started. 1. Paris. Our journey begins in the enchanting capital, Paris. Known as the City of Light, Paris is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks. Visit the Eiffel Tower for breathtaking views, explore the artistic treasures of the Louvre Museum, and admire the Gothic architecture of Notre Dame Cathedral. Wander through the charming streets of Montmartre, relax in the beautiful Luxembourg Gardens, and savor delicious pastries in a cozy cafe. 2. Versailles. Just a short trip from Paris, Versailles is a symbol of opulence and grandeur. The Palace of Versailles, with its lavish hall of mirrors and expansive gardens, showcases the splendor of French royalty. Take a guided tour to learn about the fascinating history of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, and don't miss the stunning musical fountain shows in the gardens during the summer months. 3. Loire Valley. The Loire Valley, often referred to as the Garden of France, is renowned for its majestic chateaux and picturesque landscapes. Explore the Grand Château de Chambord with its unique French Renaissance architecture and the elegant Château de Chenonceau, which spans the River Cher. The region's charming villages, vineyards, and gardens make it a perfect destination for a relaxing getaway. 4. French Riviera, Côte d'Azur. The French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, is synonymous with glamour and beauty. Relax on the sun-kissed beaches of Nice, stroll along the Promenade des Anglais, and explore the bustling markets. Visit Cannes, famous for its international film festival and luxury boutiques, and take a day trip to Monaco to experience the opulence of Monte Carlo. The stunning Mediterranean coastline is a haven for sun-seekers and luxury travelers alike. 5. Provence. Provence, with its rolling lavender fields and charming villages, is a feast for the senses. Wander through the vibrant markets of Aix-en-Provence, explore the ancient Roman ruins in Nimes, and visit the stunning Palais des Papes in Avignon. The region's picturesque landscapes and rich cultural heritage make it a perfect destination for art lovers and history enthusiasts. 6. Bordeaux. Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world, is a must-visit for wine aficionados. Tour the prestigious vineyards and indulge in wine tastings in the beautiful countryside. The city of Bordeaux itself is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its neoclassical architecture and vibrant cultural scene. Don't miss the impressive Place de la Bourse and the interactive wine museum La Cité du Vin. 7. Normandy. Normandy, located in northern France, is a region steeped in history. Visit the iconic Mont Saint-Michel, a medieval abbey perched on a rocky island, and explore the historic D-Day beaches, where the Allied forces landed during World War II. The picturesque town of Honfleur, with its charming harbour and half-timbered houses, is also a must-see. Normandy's rich history and scenic beauty make it a captivating destination. 8. Alsace. Alsace, situated along the German border, offers a unique blend of French and German cultures. The picturesque town of Colmar, with its colourful half-timbered houses and winding canals, looks like it came straight out of a fairy tale. Strasbourg, the region's capital, is home to the stunning Strasbourg Cathedral and the historic Petite France district. Alsace is also known for its delicious wines and charming Christmas markets. 9. Lyon. Known as the gastronomic capital of France, Lyon is a paradise for food lovers. The city's historic centre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring Renaissance architecture and narrow cobblestone streets. Explore the vibrant markets, such as Les Halles de Lyon, Paul Bocuse, and indulge in traditional Lyonnaise cuisine at a local bouchon. Don't miss the stunning views from the Basilica of Notre Dame de Fourvière. 10. Champagne. Our final destination is the Champagne region, renowned for its sparkling wine. Tour the famous champagne houses in Reims and Epinay, and learn about the intricate process of champagne production. The city of Reims is also home to the magnificent Reims Cathedral, where French kings were once crowned. A visit to Champagne offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and indulgence. And that wraps up our tour of the 10 best places to visit in France. From the romantic streets of Paris to the stunning vineyards of Bordeaux, France truly has something for everyone. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!